All right, so the first step in making your bias tape is to take your piece of fabric and fold it or lay it out however it's gonna work for you. We might have to have a conversation about that. I have mine where both pieces are matched up. It's laid on the mat. It is squared up on what is this 2-inch line, and now I'm gonna cut on the 11, and it's gonna get rid of all of this frayed edge and square it up from when I had washed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut on that line. And remove that piece. All right, now I can go from 11, and I want an even number to make my bias tape. So, and if I only have to cut once, then like I only have to make one piece of bias tape, then I don't have to come back and repeat this process later. We just want an even number. So I think I can easily make like a 14-inch square out of this. So I'm at the 25, so double checking my math to make sure that's where I'm at, and I will go ahead and make another cut. All right, so now I have two sides of my fabric that are nice and straight and square, because remember I'm cutting at the bias, which is gonna be at this 45-degree angle so that the fabric will stretch, all right? Now this part right here is called the selvage. It's on both of these. This is where they manufactured the fabric, where it was on the loom. We can't have this on our fabric, so we have to cut it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this back down, and I'm going to place this on a line so that I can use this grid system to make sure that my pieces are gonna be nice and straight. And I'm gonna cut that selvage off so that my fabric will have some stretch to it, all right? So now I'm cutting on this 9-inch line. And I said I needed a 14-inch square, so I'm gonna go over. 22 is where this is lining up, but we'll count it just to make sure, right? Sometimes I don't trust my math. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, good thing I counted. All right, so then I will cut my square. All right, this piece is extra right now. I might need it to make more bias tape, so I'm not gonna throw it away like these scraps. I really actually will throw away. Now to get this cut on a bias, I have to cut it in half from corner to corner. So I'm starting on this corner, and I'm going to the one that you actually can't see, but it's just a diagonal cut across. Now remember that this is much easier if you have someone helping you to help hold this ruler. It's important that you get this cut nice and straight, because that is what gives you this 45-degree angle. You can see that right here. Here's my 90. Half of that is 45. Oh, and then I moved it. And that is how you do the first initial cut to make your bias tape.